So you actually had an idea of creating a video which you thought the video was going to blow up, and the video ended up performing this way. Hello there, this is Derek again and welcome to Tubebuddy. So today I'm about to introduce to you a new YouTube tool that is actually going to help you optimize your videos, gain tons of views, increase your CPM, and help you all angles, which is actually going to make you get a lot of views. I've played with this YouTube tool and I've seen a lot. I think I want to share with you guys. I don't want to keep this alone. I don't want to be selfish, so I want to share with you guys everything about this tool. And later in my other videos, I'm going to show you guys how you'll be able to use this, pick up keywords that's actually going to help you rank in search and all, and pick keywords that are going to help you increase your CPM. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share it to anyone who you think is going to like this video, and then stick around so that you don't miss anything. So it's every content creator's dream to get views on their channel when they actually produce a video. And if you're a small YouTuber and you produce a video without getting results, it's actually very boring. And there are a lot of YouTube tools out there which are a bit expensive, I should say, when you're actually creating a video and you're not getting anything out of the video, and you have to invest in these tools paying monthly. It's very hectic, and it's very discouraging because you might not be getting any results from whatever you're actually investing in. And you know, when you are investing every time and you're not getting results, you're not going to get a zeal to continue doing whatever you are doing. So I have found this tool which is actually going to help everyone, precisely for small YouTubers who are upcoming, to get free premium tags like others do give other people, like Tubebuddy And VidiQ give. I'm not saying this tool is actually better than them, but you can get similar tags they actually provide to people who are paying for their subscriptions on their tools and all. But with this tool, it's actually free. All you need to register and then you are good to go. So this tool is called H-SUPEETOOL, and understanding this tool will actually help you if you're a small YouTuber. Even bigger YouTubers can even use this tool, and it's actually going to help them because I've tried it and it gives a lot of results and cool stuff, and you can actually see how you're going to be ranked, whether the keyword you are picking is actually high or low or medium, what you have to pick, and it tells you the CPM of the keyword you're actually going to use, and it's very cool. I'm going to go to my computer and show you some few tips on how you're going to be able to use this tool. And trust me, this tool has actually helped me improve on how to get some cool thumbnails, and I really like it. I really love this tool, and I want to share with you guys. So before you get to the tool, all you need is your browser. There's not an extension for your browser, but you can just go straight to the website, and this is what you need to search for. You type in whatever I'm going to type on Google, that is H-SUPEETOOL, that is right here. So you type in H-SUPEETOOL like this, and you just click on the first link here, and the website is going to open. So if you want to get full access to it, what you have to do is you sign up for free, and everything here is free. When you get to the home, you can get SEO, keywords research tool, bulk keywords data tool. You can get free keyword tool. This is the part I really like about this tool. You can just get a lot of tags here. You can search whatever keyword you think you are going to be able to rank. You can search them here. It will show you how it will perform, whether it's very highly ranked or whether it's low ranked, or how many times it's being searched in a month. You can just see it with this tool. I'll give you an example. Let's say food. So it will give you how many times people are searching food in a month, and you will see everything, and it's very cool. So you can see how many times people are searching for food on YouTube in a month. That is like 2 million times, and it's high, and there's this CPM. So it shows you everything on the keyword you would have to know when you want to pick up a keyword or a tag or something you use in your description. It shows you everything detailed, and it will show you some tags you can just pick up when you just do. I'll do a lot of videos about this, how to pick tags and all, and everything within this tool in my next video. So you just keep up, and then you don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss anything I'll bring up again. So if you are also in email marketing, you can just get this free email marketing tool, and it's gonna help you with that. So I don't really know more about that, but if you know you are into it, you can just use this tool to just get your email marketing thing, and you can just use it to also shorten your URLs, and also use this to create thumbnails, cool thumbnails, and it's very cool. So I'll just show you guys how you can use this tool. So if you feel you can just play around with it too, you can just use this in creating your cool thumbnails, and you're good to go. So other stuff, you can just go to H-Educate, where you would be able to get whatever the owner of this website teaches in his digital marketing, and you'll be able to just see the courses he has to share. And if you are cool and you want to know a lot, you can just sign up, and then you are good to go. So there's
a lot of things I think this tool has, and you can get SEO analyzer, you can check out your website, how your website is performing and everything. So that is one thing about this tool I like too. And the other one I think it's cool too is about books and more. You can get a lot of books about this tool, and it's very cool. You can just enlighten yourself in all angles with this tool, and you are good to go. You can get a lot from this tool. So I think H-SUPERTOOL is very cool because you don't pay anything for all these things. All you need to just register, and then you are good to go. You'll be able to just get all your keywords, everything in between, like everything you would have to use on YouTube, which is going to make you rank, which is going to help you with your SEOs, which is going to help you to appear in search engines and make you get tons of views on your videos. I think this tool has it because I tried it out and I compared it to other SEO tools, which I think, I'm not saying this is very better than that, but if you want an affordable one which you're going to be able to just get a lot of tags in it, then I think you can go for this one because you don't pay for any monthly bills or any monthly subscriptions. All you have to do is just register, and then you are good to go. You get everything, and then that is going to help you to just rank your videos and then get tons of views, and you're going to be cool with it. So this is what I want to share with you guys.
I hope this video was very insightful, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share with anyone you think you would like this kind of video, and then I have a lot I want to share with you guys. But every time what I will tell you guys, it's you keep on doing the hard work you're doing, because your next upload might be your blow up. And then catch you in the next one.